Gusto mo ba ng free check-up pero ayaw mo umalis sa bahay mo? Hi, I'm Dr. Sly Bukad from Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you had your teeth checked? If you're like most people, siguro matagal na rin, di ba? We get it. Minsan walang time, minsan sobra takot, o minsan malayo talaga ang dental clinic. That's why we're bringing the dental clinic to you. Meron na tayong AI-assisted dental diagnostic system na allows you to get the dental scan from your house using just your phone. Yes, kahit nasa sala ka lang o nasa office, you can now get a dentist level checkup quickly and accurately. Step 1. Use your phone to get a guided photo of your teeth. Step 2. I-analyze ng AI yan and detects possible issues like cavities, plaque, and gum problem. Step 3. I-analyze na ito ng AI and send you a personalized report. No pressure, no pain, and no need to leave your house. It's safe, it's private, and it's super easy. We designed this to help you take control of your oral health before the pain even starts, before the damage worsens, and before it becomes expensive. Start your smile journey today from the comfort of your own house. Because at Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we believe prevention should be as easy as a selfie. I'm Dr. Sly Bukad and we're here to make the modern dental care truly accessible, smile smarter, and smile earlier.